let's fix too many free trial used on this machine error on cursor. So head over to the browser and search Geek Uninstaller, and there you see Geek Uninstaller. Click on that, and then after that click on download, and then click on zip, and then the download will be started. And here our download is completed, and then extract that zip file, and it will be extracted, and then install the Geek Uninstaller, and it will ask for the permissions. And now the Geek Uninstaller is installed, and now select the cursor, and it will ask for the permission to delete completely from our PC. Here it is showing, are you sure want to completely remove? Click on yes, and after that it started uninstalling, and okay. And here is the main part, it is started scanning for the leftover files related to that cursor, and here our leftover files are found. Here you can see 2524 items are found related to cursor, and that's why too many free trial is coming, because cursor has detect that things. And so click on finish, it will delete all the leftover files that are on our PC, and here all traces are removed. Then click on close, and then also if there is a user of cursor, then delete that also, and click on yes, and okay. And it will also scan for leftover files, and here 2 items are found, so I will click on finish. And now our cursor is completely uninstalled from our machines. And then we again go to the cursor and download the cursor and completely reinstall as a fresh machine. So I will download the cursor, and I will download for Windows, and our download is started. It will take just a few seconds. Now install the cursor as usual. Now after opening the cursor, don't log in or sign up this now. Click on skip and continue, and then also click on skip and continue, and then cursor choose your theme, continue, and check the checkbox and click on continue. And now our cursor is installed, and now the main part is coming. So do it correctly. Close the cursor and go to the PowerShell and run as an administrator. And now I will provide one script that will reset your machine ID, so you can download it from the description box. And then go to the folder where your script is. I have kept my script in this folder, so I will copy this folder, and I will paste it here, and then click on enter. And now we have to execute one commands which I will share in the description box. You can copy from that and paste it here. And here you have to give the file name. Here you can see, as the file name is h.ps1, I have to rename it h.ps1. And now we have to click on enter, so I will click on enter, and here our machine ID is reset. Here you can see our machine ID is resetted. And now we open the cursor IDE, and then log in your account, click on sign in, and then after that log in with your account and return to the cursor, and let me show I am in pro trial. So here you can see I am in pro trial, and let me check whether the agent is working or not, and I will give one prompt, and here our agent is responding. It means the too many free trial used on this machine error is gone, and now it will work fine, and our cursor will treat our machine as a fresh. So this is it guys. By following these steps you can fix the issue too many free trial, and please don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel if it helps you. Thanks for the watching the video. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and exploring.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.